Are you seeing those viral Facebook ads from an account named Megan Rogers promoting a so-called Natural Zepbound Recipe for rapid weight loss that supposedly works without diet or exercise? One ad boldly claims that a woman lost 53 pounds in just 3 months by drinking a simple 4-ingredient recipe, no calorie counting, no gym, just results. Sounds like the miracle we've all been waiting for, right? But when something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. In this video, we're diving into the bold claims behind the so-called natural solution and why the story just doesn't add up. These ads are full of emotional appeal, showing dramatic before and after pictures and using urgency tactics like limited time offer or this video will be taken down soon, all to create pressure and build false hope. There's no real information on what the ingredients are, no scientific backing, and no credible source behind the recipe, just vague promises and a lot of marketing fluff. It's important to stay skeptical and protect yourself from being misled by trends that prey on your desire for quick fixes. While the name Zepbound is associated with real prescription medication for weight loss, this homemade natural version floating around on social media seems to be using that association to build false credibility. So is the Natural Zepbound Recipe legit or a scam? At best, it's highly questionable, and at worst, it could be a total gimmick meant to grab attention and possibly your money.